Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to set up this mobile not sign in setup you can see here. So now I want to remove this setup. So first of all I show you how to fix this problem. I will show you this problem. You can see here, if you like my channel then subscribe my channel and don't skip my channel. You can see here not sign in and set up phone. So how to do, but now you have to connect your Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see here when you input your password then you have to connect it. Checking information, you can see here verify your account. How to verify this? So let's do it, guys. Now you have to go back and click on another networks and input any text. You can see here and show password and mark this. You can see here web search. Click on web search. If you like these videos you can subscribe my channel, and you can see here web browser is open now, and now you have to search frpfile.com/bypass. You can see here when you write completely link then you have to click search. Here you can see now you have to download Google Account Manager 8 version. Download, and next you have to download bypass FRP application. Download this, guys. Now you have to close and go in home, click on file manager, download and install Google Account Manager. You can see here and done it. Now you have to install FRP file. Open this file and click on three dot, you can see here, and browse sign in. Okay, here you have to sign in any Gmail if you have created already. You can see here I am signing a Gmail. Next, and now you have to enter password of that Gmail and sign in. It is completed, and now you have to restart your mobile. Click on power button and restart now. Now guys, set up your phone. I'll show you how to set up. If you like my video then subscribe my channel, and next click on escape and next and escape. Next, you can see here setup is completed your mobile. So guys, if you like my channel then subscribe and click on bell icon. So next problem you can search in my channel. So now I am going to next video. Bye, be back later, see.